Number 9, repairs and maintenance. What kind of repairs and maintenance can you expect as a property owner, and how do you budget for them? I'll tell you one thing, you need to find the real numbers for that product in that market. One way is an experienced property manager. Property managers deal with repairs and maintenance all the time. They deal with financial statements all the time. They should be able to give you an actual assessment of what the expenses will be. And then if you're hiring them, you want to hold them accountable to those numbers, right? Let them know ahead of time you're going to do that, because you expect those numbers to be the numbers that you experience based on their input. But don't take their numbers for it. You want to check around, talk to other agents, look at other investments and see, is that what you can pay for gardening in that market? Is water included? Is it metered? If it's not metered, what's it going to cost me on average? And same with other utilities and other expenses. Insurance is another one, a big number that you should get a quote for actual insurance on the property before you buy it, so that you know what the real number will be. And also taxes, make sure that you use the taxes you'll be paying, because in most jurisdictions, when you buy the property, it gets reassessed. If your estimates are based on the current seller's tax numbers, you might be in for a shock after you buy the property. So you want real numbers for the repairs and maintenance.